Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to connect IONOS email to Gmail. Connecting your IONOS email to Gmail lets you manage all your emails in one place, instead of switching between platforms. But here's what most people miss. You're not just adding an email, you're setting up a mail retrieval system, POP3, that pulls messages from your IONOS inbox into Gmail. First, open Gmail and sign into your account. Then, tap the gear icon on the top right. Here select See All Settings. This is where you control how Gmail handles other accounts. Then navigate to Accounts and Import. What you'll see: Email linking options and import settings. Under Check mail from other accounts, click Add a mail account. Type your full email which you used to create your IONOS account, then click Next. Then choose Import emails from my other account. Then click Next. POP3 pulls emails from IONOS into Gmail. Gmail checks your IONOS inbox and downloads emails into Gmail. Then here, you'll need to enter username, which is your full email address, a password, which is your email password, and the POP server, which is provided by IONOS. These details must be correct or it won't connect. You can find them in your IONOS email settings. You may see checkboxes like Leave a copy on the server, Always use a secure connection, Label incoming messages, and Archive incoming messages. At minimum, always enable SSL for security. Finally, tap Add account. What happens next? Gmail connects to your IONOS inbox. Emails start syncing into Gmail, and you can now read IONOS emails from Gmail. To summarize, connecting your IONOS email to Gmail involves going to Gmail settings, selecting Accounts and Import, adding a mail account, choosing POP3, entering your email credentials and server details, and confirming the connection. This allows Gmail to receive emails from your IONOS account. And that's how to connect your IONOS email to Gmail. Once it's set up, you won't need to switch between platforms anymore. Just remember, you're syncing systems, not just adding an email, so accuracy in setup matters. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.